Okay, so I know you know how to add integers and maybe even subtract them, but I'm going to show you a different way today that might make it a little bit easier for you. So the first thing you want to do, and you're going to write or type a number 1, is you want to get rid of double signs. So if you have a negative and a negative, that just means you're going to replace both of those with a plus. And if you have a negative and a positive, or it can be the other direction, that means you're going to replace both of those with just a minus. So for this problem, if you notice, so the 3 has a negative in front of it, that's fine. The 8 has a positive in front of it, that's fine. But the negative, or the 12, has a double sign in front of it, and it has a minus a negative. So we're going to replace that with just a plus 12. And then the 5 has a plus minus in front of it. So we're going to replace that and just make it a minus 5. So we're going to rewrite this problem as negative 3 plus 8 minus 12, plus 12 minus 5. So that's the first thing you want to do. Get rid of all your double signs. So there's a question for you on the next slide asking you what's a simpler way to write something. You're going to write it as either plus or minus, but you don't want two signs to be in front of it.